So guys, uh, yeah, welcome back to another YouTube video. And yesterday was my mom's birthday. So, and one thing she said she wanted to do, she wanted to go to San Antonio to do the Riverwalk thing. So that's where we're gonna go right now. Don't know exactly what we're gonna be doing, but yeah, we're about to leave to San Antonio. So I'll let you know when I get there. I'm gonna record the view and everything. Another thing that happened is that I got my permit yesterday, so I'm now able to drive on the highway and everything going to San Antonio. I don't know if they really want me to do that or we'll see what happens. But today's fit is really just like what Air Forces, Lululemon. Yeah. I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing, but I do think they said something about going on like an outlet or a mall thing. So I do want to see if I can buy some stuff there, but if I can't, then oh well, don't matter. But yeah, also yesterday I bought the tickets to the concert. I can't say it. Fuerza Regida. Can't say it. But they were like, I bought 3 tickets for like $600, so that's kind of bad. That's expensive. But I'm having fun. I don't know what to wear, so if you have any ideas, just let me know what to wear. Think about just Psycho Bunny, black shirt, black bootcut jeans, Michael Kors belt, and just a hat with my white Air Forces. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have any ideas. I don't really like to wear polos, so we'll see. Oh, my hair, ain't it? Oh my god, my hair. I need a haircut, bro. Look at this.
Horse is right on that truck's ass. What is it?
602.
Yeah, 6. There you go. 600.
I like that. That's cool.
Yeah, they do that shit in Georgia too. Take pictures for me. Smell the cigarette. That guy just did. That's a river walk.
Yeah.
Look at this. How's what we're gonna be?
That's nice.
You didn't do this?
Yeah. All we did was just eat and then just like walk around a little bit. That's it.
Shoot.
San Antonio Riverwalk. It's nice. Wallahi, it's this 9 guy. 9 guy. Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your life. Let me hear you say, This is nice.
In head-to-head competitions. You're welcome to have your hands and arms on the wooden arm rail that goes all the way around the boat. Just be real careful, pay attention to what's going on. Sometimes we get real close to other things. I don't want to bump anybody's elbows or fingers when you drop anything in the river. And last but not least, it is a narrated tour. You folks did pay to hear me talk, so we ask that you respect everybody's pertness and keep any conversation very short and very quiet. However, I would love your energy, and if you have questions, feel free to shout those out, and I will do the best I can to answer them. This right here is La Bajita, a little village, and the most historic part of the river, originally settled in 1722. One of the now shops and art galleries that are parts of the shops in La Bajita were once houses. And 1,000 people over here on the left side. On the right side, you'll see a cute little stage. It's got 5 brass bells on the back. And the stage looks familiar. We filmed the swimsuit competition of Miss Congeniality right up there. And that stage and seating area is the only theater in the entire United States that is split by a natural body of water. It's pretty sweet. They do have performances. Matter of fact, I believe the Western Art Museum, the sculptures all around the Briscoe. The Briscoe opened up in 2013. But long before that, the library, the city of San Antonio. Feel free to wave at folks and smile. You guys are on the Riverwalk. You would have to be a 7-foot tall person as you sit down here on this boat to hit your head as I pass underneath these girders on the. There are just 10 of those beautiful bridges left in the entire United States. They are from the Berlin Bridge Company. And San Antonio is fortunate enough to have 3 of those beautiful bridges right here on the river. This one, perfect place in my opinion, because the Rose Island is natural, made completely of the roots of the ball cypress tree that grows at the back, and they call it Marriage Island because they have over 300 weddings every year right there on the island. The sculpture is Father Maisonette's table. Father Maisonette is the reason it is known as the San Antonio River, because all the visiting NBA teams that stay in San Antonio stay right there at the West End. This building is my favorite building. That is the Tower of Husband's Oasis right over here. The tiki torches. Little tiki bar. Long before the first tree was growing right here on this river, known as the Ben Milam tree. Beautiful theater inside, all kinds of live shows, comedy shows, concerts. Jennifer Lopez started her career portraying the role of beautiful Tejano singer Selena Quintanilla out of Corpus Christi, Texas. Selena herself got engaged right here on this bridge in 1992. A secret engagement unbeknownst to her father. None of J-Lo's engagements were secret, and none of them were right here on this bridge. Just everywhere else. I'm going to show you, aside from baby ducks, this is my favorite thing. So if you look way up high on the left side as we pass the other side of the bridge, feel free to ooh and ah at what appears to be an optical illusion. The higher you look, the cooler it will be. Looks like a freestanding wall. And I know it's a little rough with the sun, but I promise it's not going to crumble on you. That's the next hospital. It's been there for years. He was very proud to be a San Antonian. He often invited other people, including Maya Angelou, who came and spent some time with us at his invitation. We are entering what is known as Restaurant Row here on the river. There are a plethora of options for you to choose from, all kinds of wonderful cuisine. People say she represents faith, love, and hope. Some people say she represents that we live under one night sky, so we're one family and human race. And some people say another question. Do we have anybody celebrating anything special? Catholic Church has been here since 1868. In 1868, the German folks wanted a place where they could worship in their native.
It's currently 12:30. We got back from San Antonio not that long ago. But then we went to eat, and then, yeah. I went to Tanger Outlets. The Tanger Outlets over there. San Marcos, like that. Really big. Like, I've been there before, but I didn't really remember it. Like, it's a lot bigger than I expected. A lot more stores. But there I went to Psycho Bunny and got this shirt. It's really nice. I like it. I have the same shirt, just in black, on the way. I don't know when it's gonna be here. But I also went to Oakley and got these glasses. These glasses are nice. I like them because of the gold lens with the gold yeah. Oakley's really good for any sunglasses or anything. I definitely recommend you go check them out. And Psycho Bunny, I really do like them. Really think I will be wearing more. But I got these glasses to replace these. Cause I like these. These can go with a lot more. But yeah, go check them both out. They are both really good.